Saladin Shiraz and his friend Mohammed Kareem both are visually impaired. They came here for some treatment with a type of care not available back home. But soon the three found their faces plastered all over the press.
As in January 2016, Vancouver TV and websites had reported a possible terrorist attack. There are three Middle Eastern-looking men take photos in the shopping mall. They're turned out to be they're not a terrorist. They are three RP patients come from England to see me in Vancouver. RP is called retinitis pigmentosa, a genetic eye condition. It shows night blindness, tunnel vision, reduced central vision, color vision, dark adaptations.
Before I came to see Dr. Yu about a year ago, I was almost blind. I would say I had about 5% vision.
I have to be very careful even walking in my own house.
Most people can see a significant vision improvement in their visual field within 2 weeks. Some even in a few hours can see a difference for some young patients, for some early stage of RP patients.
Before it's my small, now it's changed bigger.
By going back to the patient and learn more, I believe Chinese medicine can make a much more positive contribution to this RP and to the humanity in general. Just like one of the US presidents said, there's nothing new in the world, only the history we don't know. And it's true, especially to this ancient Chinese history we need to explore. The medical classics of Chinese medicine is a treasure for all the world, for RP patients, for all the humanity. People always ask, how can you help? How can you place a few needles on the skin and ask patients to ingest some herbal solutions and improve vision? The DNA is not ultimate blueprint for human life. There is still something we don't understand. How the skin stimulation with needles, the herbal ingestion can change a genetic condition. That means more than DNA as a determinant of this illness. With my very limited knowledge, if we can do this, I have good reasons to believe the Asian Chinese knows more than this, can do a much better job than what we can achieve today.